Hello guys, this is the first time I made the selfie video in English language, and today I want to give a small guide regarding how to use the auto translator from my video, because recently I do make a video regarding the Premier analysis, but I do make a video in Chinese language, and I read the comment below from my video that somebody said he do not understand the Chinese, so he do not know what is the content about. So I think this is not a very big problem here, because I do make the Chinese subtitle there. Maybe some of them do not realize I do have subtitle there. So if you want to see the subtitle, you need to open this subtitle caption. Then you can see I do make the Chinese traditional as my subtitle there. From here, you can translate to any language you want. So I will show you step by step here. See. So let's choose an example. We choose the English language. Okay. Now the video direct translate to English. So from here you can know probably what is the content about. Maybe it is not 100% same with my original content, but at least you can catch the meaning of my video. So of course you can do other language translation, any language listed from here as you want. You can do Romanian, French, German. You can also do Indonesian, Japan, any other language you want. Yeah. It's just auto translate from my Chinese subtitle. So I think some of you maybe know this, some of you maybe do not know. So I think this is not the problem. You watch my video. If you like my video, please give me the support and subscribe to my video. Thank you.